Wow, isn't that great?
You say so.
Not a fan of Christmas?
You don't know the half of it, buddy.
What could be more exciting than Jesus coming to earth and saving us from our sins?
Sins? Look, even if I did believe in a creator, you have no idea how good my good deeds are. He would have to let me in.
No sinners are allowed in heaven. It doesn't matter how much good work you do. No sin allowed.
Look, it sounds like a boring place. I mean, no gun battles, no bad guys to fight, and, no car chases with machine guns?
Right. Also, heaven offers no more pain, no more sorrow, no more sadness, no more depression.
Look, sounds like Peter Pan's Never Never Land or Alice's Wonderland.
But heaven's quite real, I assure you. And the best part, you get to live with your creator forever.
Look, I don't believe in a creator. I came from monkeys.
Hey, he says he comes from a monkey. I don't see his tail. Do you want bananas? No more cookies! No cookies! No cookies!
Uh-oh. Hey, excuse me, Mr. Bing. I have got to deal with this. There you are. I've been looking for you all afternoon. I am exhausted. Here, take my number. Just call me next time.
You'll have the rest of your life to rest in prison, doof.
Oh, well, I'm sure my doctor would appreciate that very much, but I would get bored after a while. So, prepare for my Ninja-nator. Do you like the costumes? I really put a lot of time into being a villain. I really think I should be villain of the year, don't you? Okay. You have theme music on your shoe? How do you do that? Yeah, polka on that. I love to polka. Polka, polka, polka. Polka, polka, polka. Okay.
Pastor, what are we going to do with no cookies? It is going to be a disaster.
You entertain the kids, I'm going to get the cookies.
How am I going to entertain the children?
Tell them jokes.
Jokes?
Yeah, tell them jokes. Oh, great. What time is it? Oh, thank you. Carry on. You have one of these old-fashioned laughing gas watches? I haven't seen one of these in ages.
We're experiencing cutbacks.
It's going around.
Do you mind?
Sorry.
Cut! And the blue house is on the one side, and the red house is on the other side. Where is the white house?
Washington, D.C.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Bill. Bill. It's not a cry, it's only a joke. I am a comedian. I'm funny.
Hey, how did it go while I was gone?
Oh, I had them rolling in the aisles.